how then do you become a project manager? To become a project manager, you have to learn certain key things. You need to learn the basics of project management. You need to learn how to plan, project management planning. You need to learn how to manage risk. You need to learn how to coordinate teams. You need to learn how to properly communicate with the teams, and you also need to learn how to properly communicate with outside stakeholders. These are some of the basics of project management. And then after this, the next thing that you will have to learn is to learn some tools that project managers use, that project teams use to coordinate their work and coordinate their projects. And some of these tools are tools like Trello. We also have tools like Asana, and we also have tools like Jira. These are project management tools, and project managers and project teams use these tools to communicate, organize their teams, come up with reports on the status update of the project and stuff like that. And then after this, you then learn some basic things in tech. You learn basic things like tech terminologies, right? What are some of the terms that tech guys use, especially if you're going to be getting into, if the projects that you'll be handling are mainly software, you need to learn some of these, the basics of software development. You need to learn these tech terms. You also need to learn how to coordinate teams, right? How to communicate with teams. The execution of a project basically cuts across various teams. It doesn't just entail the tech team. The finance team might also be part of it, because the finance team might also come in when it comes to budgeting. You also have operations team. There are different teams. So you are going to be the middleman between the tech developers and these other teams. So you need to learn how to coordinate your tech team and also cross-communicate with these other teams. So team management is very key if you must become a successful project manager. And then after this, the next thing is for you to start small. Start managing very little projects, start managing little tasks, start volunteering. And after this, I think you are ready to scale up to become a big project manager.